Yeah, there's snow down there, Aamu. But for being a rock field, it's kind of mild. I have a slight feeling also that not many people walk this way.
I'm pretty confident they don't.
But it was one.
I mean, so far the brutal part was to get up to a certain level.
Yeah. To get into the bowl here.
Yeah.
Something is down there.
Huh?
By the ice. There was snowpack there.
Huh?
There's kind of, yeah, that is a marker.
Snowmobile trail marker?
Yeah.
If we take that today, because tomorrow is going to be a Keck day, and we're going to do a very easy one tomorrow, most likely.
You want to take that one?
No, the big one.
You want to take the, yeah?
Because
I'm fine with that.
yeah, if we do that, it's going to be a Keck day tomorrow anyway. Because the clouds are gone.
It is completely doable.
Yes, I think we should do it. We're going to regret it otherwise, I think.
That is what, when I came down here, I said, why don't we do it?
And I mean, the clouds disappeared and we have sun, we have blue sky right now.
Yeah. Yes, Aamu. This is the reason we took this way. There's rock underneath, so be careful.
Yeah.
And it's very bright.
This is very soft.
Yeah, it's really soft. It's kind of far down.
Yeah.
Well,
Yes.
snowpack as well.
Yeah, no.
That is really cool.
Yeah.
Or no. I'm thinking crossing there.
Yeah. That's what I have my eyes on as well.
No ducks whatsoever.
Nope. Might be too cold for them.
Yeah. It's not dark by 11.
It's not going to take us to 11 to get back.
No, but it's not dark.
Yeah, I know.
At 11. So.
This is interesting landscape.
Yeah. Pitted landscape.
I make a bad choice right now.
Oh, Aamu, sorry. Did you splush now? Yeah, you did. Worse?
Left or right? Right. Yes. Yes.
Oh.
Birdies.
Ducks.
Ducks. Hong Kong.
Golden eyes. I wonder how far that is.
I think that's quite far.
Yeah, most likely. Yeah, you get water, Aamu. I see a boulder field.
As for my thoughts, I'm having a second, third, fourth and fifth thoughts.
Yeah.
But the sixth one says go up the mountain.
Aamu from snow. This was proper snow. Okay. The better snow. So, this sent us a little, of course.
Yeah.
You'll see, I haven't cleared up over there yet.
Nope.
It's become worse.
Yeah.
Yeah, Aamu, good idea. I'm just looking for a place to come out of the wind, and we don't have any wind anymore. We have rain on the other hand. Yeah, this could be a bad idea. It's very calm. And I said so, and the wind came.
Yeah.
But I shouldn't say that. No, almost resting. This is what I meant with the Västra Dunsjöfjället. It had this kind of ground.
Yeah.
Now you see hillocks.
Huh, yeah.
No, it's not that far. Because now you can see
Yeah.
individual stones and stone packs.
Because this is pushing it.
Oh, we are pushing it, all right. We are pushing it way beyond all damn reason right now.
Expectation, yeah.
It's a lot of snow. Predikstolen, and now you can see snow on the rim.
Yeah.
Still sunny down there.
Yeah.
That is further than you think. And we're getting another one coming. So we should probably take down the cameras.
Yeah.
If you look at it, the ridge goes like this. So we are on the edge of it. What? Okay. A rock ptarmigan. Uh-oh. I know where you're going there. He's not left there. It moves. It doesn't move. It moves really, really slowly. We have ptarmigans here. Oh, these rocks are slippery.
Yes.
Also see, actually, there's a pathway you're walking. Kinda. I was saying, we're getting sun. We're getting sun. And rain. I think actually we are level now.
Yes.
Yeah, well, it's snowing on us.
You have a miserable dog.
I have a really miserable dog. Sorry, Aamu. You're going to get a lot of sticks when we get home. We are way higher than that peak now.
Yeah.
We are higher than the peak we were before. So this is the highest we've been today.
Yeah.
Small patch of snow.
Huh?
In a small patch of snow.
Yeah, the tiniest patch. That one.
Slippery stones, nice. Whoa, a rocky one. Green. This was better. It's not much now, but it's some. We cannot be that far from the peak. Famous last words.
I wonder if that is the top up there. Or if that's the falls.
Probably it was. This is an interesting ridge.
Wow, that is dark.
Is that the top cap or is it the boulder? Actually having snow on the peak.
Yes.
What? Down we're getting. Well, that was a push and a half.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Hiding away from the snow. Now we still can see stuff. All of a sudden you get like a cloud coming in and you see like 50 meters.
Yep.
And now that disappeared here, totally. Okay, going down, and we are taking the stupid way. I would hazard a guess that we probably need to go straight forward, straight to the trail from here. The worst possible scenario now is that we don't get a path down. Are you taking an alternative route? Huh? Are you taking an alternative route?
Gonna go like.
Isn't worse than some others?
What the carries?
Yeah, a bit. I've been through worse. I would wish it stopped raining.
Yes.
Carefully, 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 carefully. Exactly, Aamu. My idea precisely. These are loose rocks, yes you know.
Oh yeah, I can see that. I'm gonna wait until you do it.
Good idea, Aamu.
It's relentless. This mountain is punishing us.
Yes. When we get down,
Yeah.
you wanted to go for the can.
I like that cloud over there completely eating that.
Okay, that stone moved. Not good. That stone moved. Not good. Take that grass. Not the lower one.
I think it too.
The final step. I'm okay. So we are not far. We are almost at elevation with it. So I'm positive.
So
Yeah.
that was what we were stuck in.
I would say that is climbing,
Yes.
and that is not a good way.
No,
That is
The long way.
no, that is valley of rocks and pain.
Yeah.
Aamu, she snows. Okay, we let her. I mean, we have put Aamu through so much pain. The rock is the target. Did you find some rodents? Aamu? Aamu?
It wasn't that cloud we were in, but a similar one.
Yeah, worse actually. It starts raining again.
Yeah, the mountain is still punishing us.
Yeah, of course it is. We are not down yet. We have the target rock straight ahead.
Yes.
Yeah, Aamu, you know we focused on that rock, right? So you wonder what is special with that rock? No. Oh yeah, there's cliff down. How bad is it? No, that is not that bad. I'm targeting left of this pond here. I follow the grass more or less.
Yeah.
Rain has stopped. Wind has stopped. We are dead. When we took a break up there, she just wanted to sleep. While raining on. I love that we have so many plankways.
Right now it's just never ending.
Yeah. Yes, Aamu, we are getting close. Because it's here. And we are finishing the longest trek we ever done.